In the past several brain break videos, we've talked all about how to assemble brain breaks for whatever type of teaching situation you'll be in this year. Today, I want to talk about how to choose the brain break, especially if you're in a digital classroom, using a great site called flippity.net. If you've never used flippity.net before, I highly recommend it. It's a wonderful tool for teachers. It's very, very easy to understand, and you're able to do a ton. What we're going to be working with today is the random name picker, and what it looks like is this. You just click it once, and it will automatically choose whatever you've put into the wheel. So, for example, this is student names. So we're going to do that same strategy, but instead with brain breaks. We're going to click on instructions, and then you can see 4 really important instructions, so short but important. And the first thing to do is click on this template. You need to make sure you have a Google account because this is in Google Sheets. It's going to automatically make a copy for you, and the spreadsheet will pop right up. You can go ahead and just replace student names with the different brain breaks that you and your class choose. I highly recommend, if it's a longer named brain break, that you use a shorter abbreviation or just a shortened down version of it. Because the wheel is not that large, it tends to get really cluttered in the center of the wheel if the names are too long. So for example, downward dog goes to down dog, or triangle pose goes to triangle. You can include all energizing, all calming. It's really up to you. It's whatever you and your students are liking at this particular point in the month or the week and the season. I recommend doing no more than 10. The wheel gets really cluttered otherwise, and so just thinking about the top 10 that you and your students enjoy and deleting the rest. Once you're done, you're going to go to the bottom that says get the link here, and you can't click the link just yet because you have to remember to publish your spreadsheet first, and that's under File, Publish to the Web. You're going to click Publish and then click OK. And once this pops up, you know that you're good to go. So you can just close this, and then you can click that link. That link, there you go, will bring up your randomized brain break wheel. So you can just click it once and see which brain break it lands on for you and your class to do. Within a lesson, you can incorporate this link, and that way you can just click it and the brain break wheel will automatically pop up for you. You want to make sure that you are saving this link. This link saves your brain break, and so you can copy and paste it, or you can bookmark it. I usually just will name it brain breaks and then the month and the year. That way it'll be easy to find the next time you want to use it with your students. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and follow so that way you can be notified the next time we have a new brain break video, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Take care.